Ladies and gentlemen, it's a real pleasure to host a gathering of such wonderful women and men. Congratulations to all of you, your friends, your families. Growing up, all of us lived with the cliches in schools, colleges, cafeterias. Boy meets girl, boy saves the girl. In the corner suites, in the newsrooms, and in the tech startups, the men in suits got the promotions, and the women in saris got overlooked. In the playing fields, the men in blue won all the glory, the women just smoked. In the uniformed forces, the men investigated, and the women remained nameless victims. And in politics, from panchayats to parliament, the men ruled, and the women allowed them to. Well, guess what? The women we're honoring today have taken these cliches and subverted them. And how? What's more, they've done so by doing what they like, wearing what they like, saying what they like, and being what they want to be. In running shoes or high-heeled Louboutins, with male approval or not, with much fanfare or silently, they've changed the game for themselves and others like them. And we're gathered here today to celebrate these extraordinary women for achievements across the various fields, from music to business, from education to management, from media to the arts. Many of the women today have broken out of gilded cages, built their own identities, their own empires, and their own artistic expression. The Devis of Delhi, your journeys have not been easy. You've faced many challenges along the way, experienced many failures, gone through many breakdowns, I'm sure, overcome many missed deadlines, and endured raised eyebrows and perhaps also snide sniggers. But you've understood that often the sacrifices are many, are required for the success of one. You cannot be what you cannot see. That there have been many invisible women holding you up so that you can be visible. That many women have been forgotten and may have been forgotten, but you are being celebrated. The New Indian Express started the Devi Awards in 2014, in Delhi, in fact. And over the past 10 years, we were awarded 310 super accomplished women across 10 cities. We're returning to Delhi after 2018 in what is going to be our 30th edition. We can all pat ourselves on the back and perhaps a round of applause. A little more enthusiastic would be nice. The editors of the New Indian Express have identified women who've done some amazing work, and you see them all sitting in the front row. They've done amazing work, as I said, in education, fashion, entrepreneurship, public service, and much more. Tonight, as we smile and greet each other, let us remember the doors we had to break down, the paths that needed to be created, and the journeys of discovery that had to be undertaken. Let us also remember the silent fears, the secret tears, the unspoken apprehensions, and the unsaid angst. Let us also remember the women who've gone before us and celebrate the women who will come after us. Only if we do that can we actually acknowledge how far we've come and how much more we still need to do. So today, let's take a moment to acknowledge each other, honor each other, and salute each other. We don't do that often enough. Let us recognize the girl who saves the boy, the girl who gets the promotion, the girl who wins the medal, the girl who gets the formula right, and the girl who runs the organizations. Not just that, the girl who ensures that this happens many times over across organizations, labs, newsrooms, performance stages, and public spaces. So let the Devis of Delhi begin.